everyone, it's Michelle from Renewable Touch, and today we're going to make these cute DIY rustic burlap flowers. Now I did one piece of burlap with these flowers, but I wanted to try two. So I have some just scrap loose leaf burlap. I have some white and blue, and then of course I've got some patriotic star buttons that I've used in another flower. And of course you're going to need a fuzzy stick and a glue gun. So let's get started. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're just finding the threads through the burlap, and we're going to just pull it out. And so each side is cut, so then you're just going to start pulling, and you're going to keep pulling the horizontal threads out, and we'll be back. Okay, so I forgot to mention we're going to need a hot glue gun. So what we're going to do is just glue on the edge here, like so. And then we're just folding it and gluing the other edge onto itself, like that. So we'll be back. Okay, so now what we're going to do is take the white and just layer it on the blue, like so. And of course the white is a little bit smaller. So I'm putting it more towards the middle, and I'm gluing the white on the edge to the blue edge, and we'll be back. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just take the pipe cleaner, and I'm putting it through the holes in the button and bringing it down and just twisting it. And you can use any type of wire you would like. I'm just using a fuzzy stick because I'm going to cut the base off when I'm done, because eventually when I make enough of these, I will put this on a wreath. But if you want a stem, a longer stem, you just need to do maybe a heavier wire and then maybe wrap it with some floral tape. But anyway, so you just put some glue down, and we're just going to wrap at the edge and just keep rolling it and gluing it as we go along. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and we'll be back. Okay, so now it's all rolled up, and all we have to do is just pull the petals down. See how cute that is? That is making such a pretty flower. And then we're just going to get to the center where our button is and just keep fluffing and messing around with it. But oh, I love these flowers. They are so simple and so cute when they're all said and done. And then if there's any loose piece, that came off, just trim it with your scissors. But I'm loving it. Turned out great. So cute. So I hope you guys like this. Oh, also the blue burlap measured about, I think it was 18 to 19 inches, and the white measured at 14 inches, just to give you an idea of how much burlap to use. But the more you're going to use, the bigger flower you're going to get. So I just love these, but thank you so much for joining me, and you guys have a great day.